I am Mohammad Naseem, ex-professor, Department of Ancient Indian History, Culture and Archaeology, Banaras Hindu University. Today I am going to present a talk on the scientific and archaeological achievements in India from circa 600 BCE to 600 CE. The information about the development or the achievement of science and technology in India is available from the archaeology, literary sources of Sanskrit, Buddhist, Jain and secondary sources. The achievements or the development of this period is described below. First, Northern Black Polished Ware or NBPW. It was introduced in India in about 1200 BCE. In the beginning, it was used in the eastern part of India, but later it became popular in different parts of India. It was a deluxe pottery made on the wheel. It produces metallic sound when it is knocked. It has luster on its surface. The technology of its making is still dubious. Next, Shulva Sutras were many in number, but only a few are available. It may be placed after 700 or 600 BCE. They contain the knowledge of the construction of the fire altars, the Pythagorean theorem, and irrational number, etc. Next, Surya and Chandrapragyapti are dated between 5th century BCE and 4th century Christian era. They deal with sun and moon. Next, Mahavagga. Mahavagga is dated between 5th century BCE and 1st century of Christian era. It describes diseases and their remedies, hygiene and the surgical operations performed by the physician Jiva. Next, Mahabharata was compiled between 400 BCE and 400 CE. In the astronomy, it deals with 12 zodiacal signs, 5 planets and their motion, function of arteries, circulation of blood through nadis, and formation of lymph, chyle, blood, flesh and fat, etc. Metals are produced from heat and earth matter. Gold is found in different places. Plants are living organisms and composed from 5 elements. They have consciousness. They absorb the water through the roots and force it up with the help of atmospheric pressure. It also throws light on the plant classification, growth and diseases. Animals are called thrusni or mobile creatures. They are divided into gram or aranya. Diseases are caused by the worms or insects. Animal diseases are mentioned. Cloud is formed due to evaporation of water by the sun rays. The origin of tide and the names of weapon are also met with. Next, Asthana and Bhagavati Sutra. Their dates are uncertain, but they may be kept between 4th century before Christian era and 4th century of the Christian era. They mention mathematics and astronomy. Next, Jambudvip Pragyapti. It throws light on cosmography. Next, Tendul Vyalaya gives an account of physiology, anatomy, embryology, and measurement of length and time. Next, Uttaradhyayan Sutra is dated between 4th century BCE to 4th century of the Christian era. It describes the importance of mathematics. Next, Vedanga Jyotish deals with 5-year lunisolar cycle or yuga, length of solar, lunar year and month. Days are divided into muhurtas, etc. Nakshatra system was used to locate the full and the new moon. Next, Jivaji Bhigam Sutra contains the information of classification of living creatures. Next, Nadi Sutra and Anuyogdwar Sutra are dated about 4th and 3rd century BCE. They throw light on the mathematics. Next, Arthashastra was written between 321 BCE and 300 BCE. It deals with precious stone, mining, metallurgy, minting of coins, ocean mining, manufacture of salt, chemical practices, alloying of gold with copper and silver, good and bad, trees and forest, medicinal plants, weight and measurement of time and space, agriculture, animal husbandry, horses and elephants, classification of land, meteorological information, health and sanitation, etc. Next, Manu Smriti may be dated between 200 BCE and 200 CE. It is a law book, but it occasionally furnishes information of botany, zoology, and agriculture, etc. Next, Chanda Sutra of Pingal is dated to circa 200 BCE. It deals with science of meters, Pascal triangle, and binomial theorem. Next, Mimamsa Sutra was written in about 200 BCE. It describes sound and its propagation. Next, Ramayana was compiled between 200 BCE and 200 CE. It has information about plants, constellation, zodiac, meteors, metal, liquor, cosmetics, name of trees, herbs, flowers, and fruits. It also throws light on the reptiles, fishes, insects, and birds, etc. Next, Nagarjuna was famous for astronomy, medicines, production of precious stones, alchemy, and elixir of life. He may be placed in about 1st or 2nd century of the Christian era. Next, Umaswati wrote a Tattvarthadhigam Sutra in the 1st century of the Christian era. He describes atomism and classification of animals. Next, Charak Samhita is dated to the 100 CE. There are description of 8 branches of Ayurveda. It is divided into 8 sections and 150 chapters. It has names of about 600 medicines. It describes anatomy, physiology, etiology, prognosis, pathology, treatment, objects, influence of environmental factors, appliances, procedure and sequence of medication. Importance of three humors, Vayu, Pitta, Kapha, is essential to maintain the health. Methods to keep healthy and importance of sleep are also dealt with. Next, Nyaya Vaisheshika may be kept between 250 CE and 300 CE. They describe atomism, motion and nature of sound, classification and features of plants and animals. Next, Yagyavalkya Smriti was written in about 300 CE. It consists of the knowledge of embryology and development of human body. Next, Yoga Sutra was written by Patanjali, who is different from the writer of Mahabhashya. It is placed between the 3rd and 5th century of the Christian era. Yoga practices develops healthy body and prevents and cures some diseases. Next, Puranas. The date is uncertain, but usually they may be dated 3rd century onwards. Some Puranas are important for the study of science. Bhavishya Purana gives an information of zoology and snakes. Agni Purana reveals the plant science. Puranas have an account of the yogas. Next, Vasubandhu. His date is 4th century. He describes the Buddhist atomism in Abhidharma Ghosh. Next, Kalidas may be placed either in the second half of the 4th or 5th century. The description of nature, seasonal changes, animals, plants and insects are described in his Ritu Sangha, Meghdut, Kumar Sambhav and Abhigyan Shakuntalam, etc. Next, Shushruta Samhita was composed in about 400 CE. It consists of 8 branches of Ayurveda, but gives importance to the surgery. It mentions basic information of Ayurveda, pathology, embryology, anatomy and toxicology. Names of more than 650 medicines are described in it. About 300 operation, 42 surgical processes and 121 surgical instruments are mentioned. Training, discipline, ethics and Ayurvedic code are mentioned for the Ayurvedic practitioner. It instructs how to maintain the health. Next, Vatsyayan was in 5th century of the Christian era. He describes atomic theory and classification of plants and animals in Nyaya Bhashya. Next, Prashastapad wrote the Padarth Dharma Sangrah in 5th century of the Christian era. It throws light on atomism, space, sound and time. Next, Aryabhatta first was in the 5th century of the Christian era. From his Aryabhatti, the information about the rotation of earth, value of pi and science and representation of the numbers by the alphabets according to the place value system. He describes the solution of squares, cube root, and indeterminate equations of the first order. Next, Mehrauli Iron Pillar is located near Qutub Minar in New Delhi. It may be dated to the 5th century of the Christian era. Since then, it does not have the sign of rust or decay. It is made of wrought iron. Its weight is 6 tons and its height is 24 feet 3 inch. Its diameter is 16 feet 4 inch below and 12 foot 04 inch above. It is uncertain why does not rust. Next, Sultanganj copper statue of Buddha is 7 feet 6 inches high and its weight is 1 ton approximately. It was cast in 2 layers. The outer layer was cast by the Sayre Purdue method and inner layer was cast in segments. It was made in 5th century of the Christian era. Next, Padarth Dharma Sangrah was written by Prashastapad. It consists of information of atomism, space, time, motion, and sound. Next, Varaha Mihir was in 6th century of Christian era. Pancha Siddhantika and Brihad Samhita were written by him. Astronomy, geography, medicine, chemistry, perfumery, botany, zoology, agriculture, architecture, physiology, motion of planets, asterism, zodiacal division, tithis, and eclipses, etc. are described in Brihad Samhita. Its another book is Pancha Siddhantika, in which 5 astronomical systems practiced in those days are dealt with. And last, Amar Kosh was composed by Amar in the 6th century. It has names for sky, atmosphere, planets, stars, regions, division of time, phases of moon, eclipses, serpents, poisons, ocean, fishes, animals, human beings, and their anatomical peculiarities, diseases of plants, forest, agriculture, stone quarries, etc.